Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your your CS2 Dragon Lore edition to a Windows computer. There are three methods of connecting it. You can either connect it with a cable, simply plug in the USB-C cable on the top and plug it into your computer. Then the other method is with the connector, with the like transmitter, right? So if you have a USB-C port on your computer, you can plug it straight in. If you don't, by the way, in order to use it, you'll need to switch your mouse to 2.4 gigahertz. Now, in order to use it, plug it into your computer. If you don't have a USB-C port on your computer, you can use this thing to plug it into that, then use the cable. There is a cable included. You can use a different one as well. And on the other end, it'll be this. So I'll just do it and I'll just plug it into my computer. Once I locate the port. I almost got it. Now I got it. Let's see if it already works. Yeah, it does work. Now I'll exit it, and now you can also connect it with Bluetooth. And if you're connecting it for the first time, it'll go into pairing mode and start blinking blue. In my case, it doesn't because it's already connected. So if you want to put it in pairing mode, first turn it off. Then while holding the DPI button, this one, while holding it, turn it on to Bluetooth. The blue light will start blinking. Now you can go to settings on your computer. Then go to Bluetooth and devices, add device, Bluetooth, CS2. Wait a moment until it connects. If it has any problems, try again and it'll get connected. Let's wait. Okay, it had some problems. Let's see what's happening here. Let's try that again. Okay, like it's still in pairing mode, at least. I'll try that again. It worked a moment ago, and that's what's funny. I'll try removing the old device. It shouldn't make a difference, but yeah, I'll also try going to add device, Bluetooth, then I'll disable the mouse, hold the DPI button, turn the mouse on Bluetooth option because there are three options, as you can see most probably. Then we can click on the connection and it's connected. You can see it works now. So I hope that this video was helpful. Remember, you can also download drivers for the mouse. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.